Hello guys. So today we are going to discuss why ads are not showing in Google. So let's say you have created a display ad. So in this video I'm going to talk about the display ad category. So I have a display ad category and I'm going to show you what exactly the settings needed so that your ads will start appearing in Google. So appearing in Google means Google Partner Network or anywhere Google Ads are getting displayed on any website or YouTube or anywhere, your ads will get displayed. So there are proper settings needs to be done, and due to some of the issues, it may be that your ads are not getting shown. You have configured everything right, all settings, images, everything is correct, but still your ad is not showing. So let's get started. So if you look at this ad, so this is my display ad type, and I have budget as 80 rupees per day. So I'm going to show you exactly why ads were not getting displayed and what you will do so that ads will get displayed. So go to the settings. So once you go to settings, you have to go to bidding. So you see the bidding has manual CPC set and help increase conversion with enhanced CPC. So I would not suggest to select this because this will lead to the higher cost per click. So I have set manual CPC. So this is the correct setting to have. And when you click on the change bid strategy, you will see these options. So these are automated bid strategy. So automated bid strategies are good, but these are automated and depends on the various combinations it will start showing ad, and there is no certainty when it will go show ad. Depends on the algorithm and lot of unknown factors. So this target CPA, okay, and then this ROAS, and then maximize clicks, and then maximize conversion, then viewable CPM. So these are automated kind of categories where Google will try to optimize your ad based on your criteria and things like that. But the triggering of ad will be delayed because if you select automated ads. So select manual CPC. So the manual CPC option is the best option because everything is under your control and you are exactly controlling how much I am paying per day and how exactly bidding cost you are going to put. So just select manual CPC and just save. Okay. So in spite of doing all the things correctly, this is the one reason your ads might not be getting displayed. And then there is another optimization which I'm going to share it here is prefer best performing ads. So don't go with the best performing ad because there's another issues. They just Google algorithm just select some of the criteria and just put those images for the display ad. So select do not optimize or rotate ads indefinitely, means whatever how many images you have it will show in the display ad. So there is no constraint there, so it helps. And then we need to go to ad groups. Now if you go to ad groups, we have default max CPC value. So this is the value which you are going to set for the per click. So there is a display ad showing, and then if somebody clicks on it, you are going to pay this much. So you can change it and you can set according to your budget. So usually if you want to show ads in India, it is around 4 to 5 rupees per click, and if you want to show into Europe and America, then it is around 8 to 10 rupees or around that. So just make sure you keep on that area, below that area. So that's the thing. and then your ads will start showing. So if I look at my previous one, I can show you I haven't triggered on that date. I triggered on this date. So here you can see the average CPC was 4.44 and cost was 129. So that day I had more cost, so that's why it costed more. So thanks guys for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know your comment.